Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Quest, educational channel. So let's get started, the video.
Yay! Dinner was really good, Mom. I'm full. Do you need help with the dishes?
I'm glad you liked it, Ethan. And yes, I would love your help with the dishes. Thank you for offering.
No problem. It's the least I can do after such a tasty meal. You always make dinner special.
That's sweet of you to say, Ethan. I enjoy cooking for you. It's nice to end the day with a good meal and some time together.
Yeah, I like our dinners too. We always talk about interesting things. How was your day today, Mom?
My day was busy, but I got a lot done. Work was a bit hectic, but I feel good now that I'm home and spending time with you. How was your day?
It was good. We started a new science project at school. We're learning about the solar system, and I'm really excited about it.
That sounds fascinating, Ethan. The solar system has so many interesting things to learn about. Do you have a favorite planet?
I think Saturn is my favorite. The rings are so cool, and it's so big. I can't wait to learn more about it.
Saturn is a great choice. It's a beautiful planet with lots of mysteries. I'm sure you're going to enjoy this project.
I think so too. I love learning new things, especially when it's something as interesting as space. It makes me want to know more.
That's a wonderful attitude to have, Ethan. Being curious and eager to learn will take you far in life. I'm proud of how enthusiastic you are about your studies.
Thanks, Mom. I'm lucky to have a mom who encourages me to learn and explore new things. It makes school even more fun.
I'm happy to hear that, Ethan. Learning should be fun and exciting. And I'm always here to help you with your projects or answer your questions.
You're the best, Mom. I feel like I can do anything with your support. And it's nice to know I can always come to you for help.
I'll always be here for you, Ethan. No matter what you're working on, I'm here to cheer you on and lend a hand when you need it.
That means a lot to me, Mom. I'm going to do my best on this project and make you proud.
You already make me proud, Ethan, just by being you. Whatever you do, I know you'll give it your best effort, and that's what matters most.
Thanks, Mom. I'm going to finish drying these dishes so we can relax. Maybe we can watch a movie together after?
That sounds like a great idea. Let's finish up here and then pick out a movie to watch together. It'll be a nice way to end the day.
Ending. This conversation emphasizes the importance of helping out at home, sharing daily experiences, and bonding over common interests, like learning and spending time together.
Hey kids, thanks for tuning into Kids Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.